Hello and welcome to Woodworking. Do you know what? I need to glue these two boards together. Oh. And I don't want to just rely on the glue, no. I want there to be some wood in between, holding it together firmly. But I don't have a domino dowler. Oh. I don't have a biscuit joiner. Oh. I don't have a router. No. Or a table saw. Well, I do actually. But for the purpose of this video, let's pretend I don't. So let's do it with hand tools. Oh, how will he do that? Well, let's see. I don't know who he is, but hey-ho. Well, we want to join these two boards together without using any machines. Oh, okay. So we're going to use hand tools. And this little plane here is a record 043 Plough plane. But first of all, we must make sure the boards are true and they marry up together perfectly. Okay, stop that. No, we got the message. Yes, we know you're happy. Yes, it's a thumbs up. Okay. And we mark the face. So we're always working off the same face. That way we can make sure the boards go together flush. So we put it in the vise and we set up our little plough plane. Like I say, it's a record 043. And bit by bit, plough along with the plough plane, removing material. Yes, just in the middle of the board, creating a slot. Like, well, tongue and groove you could call it. But this is more like groove and groove. Oh, let's do the groove. Can't be bad. So I'm using the vernier gauge to check the depth. And we place the two boards together, and as you can see, the grain is opposing. Goes in opposite directions so the boards don't warp. So there we have two boards now, which have a slot. So it's like groove and groove, not tongue and groove, no. Oh, groovy. Oh. So I'm using the vernier to check its width all the way along, but it should be the same. Oh, so that's what it's going to be for. It's going to be for the soundboard. Oh, groovy, eh? So we have a little wooden slip. In this case, this is a piece of teak. You may notice I should have trued those boards properly, because they're not at a perfect 90 degrees. But we do that later, so that's okay. So now we're gluing our slot, making sure the glue isn't everywhere. It's like butterscotch icing. Definitely not royal icing. No, it's a bit lumpy. Bit like me. But ayo, I'm sure you wouldn't have me any other way. Oh. So we make sure all faces are glued, so there's no dry spots. And as we squeeze up with these F-clamps, we remove any excess as we go. You know, the glue that squeezes out. It's like me when I do my belt up. Oh, it's a sight, I'll tell you. You don't want to see it? No, no, especially with no clothes on. Oh, dear me, don't do it, no. Ugh, shudder. Over to him. Ugh. Sorry. So there you are. You haven't got to rely on expensive power tools and machines, no. Sometimes a simple hand tool will do. Now you can pick these things up quite cheap these days, in car boots and places like that. So keep your eye open, because they're little gems, that's what they are. And while you're here, please click like and subscribe, and maybe that little bell icon, because then you get a warm fuzzy feeling in your pocket every time I upload another video. And I hope you'll be excited about that. Ta-ta!